Hello friends, in this lesson I will explain to you how to prevent and stopping automatic app updates on iPhones. So before moving to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, follow, like and share this video with friends and family first. We normally open the settings and then click on factor. Then we look for the option that says manage background apps. We'll tap on it and you'll see the page. Find or appear with all the apps on your phone, and all these apps allow updating them automatically. For example, if you want to stop and prevent a certain app, for example, I don't want the app Google Drive from updating automatically. This is what I mean, and I prevent it from updating. Likewise, I will stop the update on the InShot app as well. Api or this the app. And if you scroll up by clicking on this option, and if you enable the first option like this, and after it everything is stopped, the applications will never update even a single app. I only advise you to choose the last option like this and then do it. By stopping the update on the app, you don't want to stop the update. This must be specified completely. That's the end of our lesson, my friends. See you in another lesson. You can watch this list, the iPhone tutorial playlist. You will find important explanations in it that you will like and benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.